Hello guys, and welcome back to another video. In this video I want to talk about PayPal. Okay, why am I bullish on PayPal? Now just a quick update on the channel, why you guys should trust my analysis, or basically anything like that. We had Delta Airlines play failing. We had Neo and XPay, they're still in the play. They're doing very well. EA is starting to fly, and then TSM, absolute killer play. And as again, we had Apple Play. So overall, I make these videos as if kind of like a resume type. So if you guys, I do have failed trades obviously right over here. No one can predict the market, but I have these videos where any play I make, I'll make a video on, and if they're wrong, you guys can check the history on. And make sure to subscribe on YouTube and follow me on Instagram as well as Twitter. So overall, going to be explaining why I am bullish on PayPal. I'm looking to enter in PayPal Tuesday, so tomorrow, and basically why am I bullish on PayPal? So again, we have the support that acts as the floor. Okay, so let's trim this down right over here. So this is the floor right over here. Okay, so very nice floor, and then this is our resistance, and again, third time is the charm, and we're going for the third breakout. Now another thing to keep in mind is of the gap. We have a very nice gap to fill. So my price target is this gap. Okay, you could play two ways. Short term, you play this gap, so our price target would be right over here, 279, or you can play it as like a leap play. Okay, so a leap play, if you actually look at the weekly, this looks like a very nice breakout. It kind of looks like the Apple breakout. So if you look at Apple, as you guys saw, Apple had this ascending triangle, and if you look at PayPal has this very nice ascending triangle that is forming right around over here. So two ways you can play. People don't like to play short term. Some people, you can always grab leaps on PayPal. PayPal leaps are not a bad idea in my opinion. Right over here, we have this very nice resistance. Third time is the charm that we are going to be going for that. But for a short-term play, okay, so let's exit out of here. For a short-term play, let's look at the daily. I am looking at a break above this line. Okay, so as you guys can see, this blue line, a break above 292.69. okay, so we have this very nice, it's kind of like a cup and handle type. So I would say like right over here, if at open we do push and break this, I would have like two price targets like right around over here. So let's set this, and then I'll have this gap. So those will be my two price targets. As for the contract, always at the money, and then a weekly. Okay, so since it is a pretty small gap, okay, I'm going to be looking at weekly. So we might actually fill this gap in like one day. It would be nice if we fill this gap tomorrow on Monday. So overall, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Again, we had the ascending triangle, we have that cup and handle right over here, and then we have this very nice gap, and then you can play it two ways: short term, weekly calls, or even leaps. And overall, very simple video. Make sure to follow me on Twitter. We hit a 150%, and again, I've made the whole video on TSM, and make sure to follow me on Instagram. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. I tried to explain these videos as simple as possible, and if you guys enjoyed this video, all I'm asking for is a like, comment, and obviously to subscribe. So hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thank you for watching.